So today we are going to be talking about aura nails. So you're gonna need a makeup sponge and you're just gonna dip it in some water. So make sure that the sponge is damp, squeeze out the water, and you'll notice that the sponge expands. Now you're gonna go ahead and take two colors. So this technique is gonna require a lot of polish. So make sure that you are very generous with your polish application. Then you're gonna need to kind of tap it out a little bit more until it's not as full coverage. Then you're gonna go in with your pink. You want to make a perfect little oval. And then you're gonna go back to your little workspace and tap it out again. And then you're just gonna dab. When you do this, straight up and down motion. If you need to turn the nail, you can, and you can use the side of the sponge to get those side walls. So now we're gonna go ahead and do that same technique again using the exact same sponge. This circle that you paint in the center will dramatically affect the shape of your radial ombre. So we're just gonna keep tapping it out until we get that seamless look. Now we're just gonna go ahead and do that whole process of sponging the center of the nail again. And that's the effect. It's actually quite simple and easy to achieve. It just takes a little bit of practice and maneuvering. And look at that, that looks like a really pretty flawless blend. If you want to go ahead and add one more color, take your green. The line that you draw for your green is going to be even smaller, and tapping out the excess until I get a nice soft effect. And then we're just gonna go ahead and sponge that on. And because we have these cute little stars, I'm gonna recreate that. It is the perfect dupe for the look that I'm creating today. And there we go. That is the look.